We often think that to get fit, we need intense gym sessions or high-impact cardio. But what if the most powerful tool for your health is already right under your feet? Walking for just 30 minutes a day can trigger a series of transformations in your body that you'll feel from your head to your toes. Here is exactly what happens when you make it a habit. 1. Your brain gets a happiness boost. Within the first 10 minutes, your brain starts releasing endorphins and serotonin. These are the body's natural feel-good chemicals. The result? A significant drop in stress levels and a clearing of mental fog. Regular walking has even been shown to be as effective as some mild antidepressants. 2. Your heart becomes more efficient. Your heart is a muscle, and walking is its favorite workout. The science. A 30-minute walk increases your heart rate, improving blood circulation. Over time, this lowers your blood pressure and reduces the risk of stroke and coronary heart disease by up to 19%. 3. Blood sugar stabilization. If you walk after a meal, your muscles use the glucose in your bloodstream for energy. The benefit? This prevents insulin spikes and lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes. It's one of the most effective ways to manage blood sugar naturally. 4. Joint health and bone density. Unlike running, walking is low impact. It helps lubricate the joints by increasing blood flow to the cartilage. The bonus? It strengthens the muscles around your joints, taking the pressure off them. It also stimulates bone density, which is vital for preventing osteoporosis as we age. 5. Fat oxidation, weight management. While walking doesn't burn as many calories as a sprint, it is a fat-burning machine. Why? Walking at a steady pace keeps you in the fat-burning zone, where the body uses stored fat as its primary fuel source rather than just burning through carbohydrates. 6. Improved digestion. A 30-minute walk helps the GI tract move more efficiently. It stimulates the muscles in your abdomen, helping move things along. This can significantly reduce bloating and constipation. 7. Immune system activation. Regular walkers have a more robust immune response. The fact? Research shows that people who walk at least 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, have 43% fewer sick days than those who exercise once a week or not at all. The Health Lab timeline. Day 1. Improved mood and energy. Week 2. Better sleep cycles and increased stamina. Month 1. Noticeable changes in clothing fit and resting heart rate. Year 1. Lower cholesterol, stronger bones, and a significantly longer life expectancy. Final thought. You don't have to be fast. You just have to be consistent. Your body was built to move, so let's get walking.